The Arlopu folding collapsible wagon cart is marketed as a heavy-duty, all-terrain solution for hauling everything from groceries to camping gear. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. One of the standout features is the 7-inch all-terrain wheels. These oversized wheels, at 4 inches wide, are designed to handle various surfaces, from sandy beaches to bumpy campsites. In my testing, they performed admirably, gliding over uneven terrain with relative ease. The wagon's 270-pound weight capacity is impressive, allowing for a substantial load. The adjustable telescoping handle is a nice touch, offering customizable comfort for users of different heights. You can adjust the angle as well, which is a welcome feature for navigating inclines or uneven ground. The Arlopu wagon boasts a durable, double-layered 600D Oxford fabric with a plastic bottom plate. This combination promises longevity and easy cleaning. The 110L capacity provides ample space for all your hauling needs. Folding and unfolding the wagon is remarkably simple. The internal pull rope allows for quick collapsing in mere seconds, and the included carry bag makes storage and transport a breeze. The folded dimensions are compact, easily fitting in a car trunk or garage. The added bonus of drink holders is a thoughtful inclusion, perfect for keeping beverages secure during outings. While the Arlopu wagon offers a lot of positives, there are a few minor considerations. The fabric, while durable, isn't entirely waterproof. So, be mindful of transporting items in wet conditions. Also, while the handle is adjustable, it can feel slightly flimsy at its full extension. Overall, the Arlopu folding collapsible wagon cart is a solid choice for anyone in need of a versatile and portable hauling solution. Its all-terrain capabilities, impressive capacity, and easy folding mechanism make it a strong contender in the market. While a few minor improvements could be made, the Arlopu wagon offers excellent value and functionality for various outdoor activities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.